Hello friends, if you are science student, then this video is very important for your study. Let's go to know about prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. The scientist Roger Weissteiner and his colleagues proposed two categories of organisms on the basis of type of nucleus present within their cells. The categories are prokaryotic cell type and eukaryotic cell type. Organisms of prokaryotic cell type are called as prokaryotes and organisms of eukaryotic cell type are called as eukaryotes. Though there are many differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell structure, both possesses some properties common, such as first is both possesses lipid bilayer membrane as a permeability barrier between the cytoplasm and the outside world. Second is ribosomes are the universal protein synthesizing unit of all cells. Friends, let's know about prokaryotic cell structure. The prokaryotic cell has following important structural parts like cell membrane, cell wall, cytoplasm, ribosomes, and nuclear region. Then see cell wall. Cell wall is a rigid structure and it is made up of peptidoglycan and it gives protection and support to the cell. Then next is cell membrane. Cell membrane is a typical barrier structure separating cytoplasm from outer world. It contains part of respiratory machinery and in some photosynthetic machinery. There is no distinction between cytoplasm and nucleoplasm. The cytoplasm contains nucleoid and 70 ribosomes, mesosomes, gas vacuoles, and reserve food materials in granular form. Next is ribosomes. Ribosomes are small particles made up of proteins and ribonucleic acid and it is of 70S type. Next is nuclear region is primitive. It is not bounded by nuclear membrane and it lacks nucleolus. It is designed by many terms like chromatin body, nucleoid, nuclear equivalent, bacterial chromosomes. It is a single circular double-stranded DNA molecule. Histones are not associated with it. Surface structure of prokaryotic cell are flagella, pili, and capsules. Examples of prokaryotic cells are bacteria and cyanobacteria. The second is eukaryotic cell structure. Eukaryotic cells are larger and more complex in structure than prokaryotic cells. The eukaryotic cell has following important structures: cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, ribosomes, and different cytoplasmic organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum. First is cell membrane. It is a typical barrier structure but contains sterols. It does not carry out functions like respiration and photosynthesis. Then next, cell wall, if present, is made up of either cellulose or of chitin but does not contain peptidoglycan. Eukaryotic cells cytoplasm shows cytoplasmic streaming. Cytoplasm contains many organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body, lysosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, and chloroplast in some. Ribosomes are ATS type and are present on endoplasmic reticulum. Eukaryotic cells contain true nucleus which is bounded by nuclear membrane. Nucleolus is present. It contains more than one linear chromosomes. Histones are associated with chromosomes. Examples of eukaryotic cells are algae, fungi, protozoa, animal cells, and plant cells. Friends, I hope you like this video. Then share this video to your friends and click on like and subscribe to this channel.